Okay, so for the following 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Innovation Lab, or NTT Innovation Lab, what we are doing over there, what kind of exciting thing we're trying to achieve, and how we try to build innovation in a very innovative way. And this might answer some of the questions that people have around here, how we take theory into practice, and how do we verify that it actually works. So how many of you actually use Gen AI, chatbots, or something like that? I think that the answer is 100%. So everybody is using this, but you all want to know how secure it is, okay? We all know how secure conversational LLMs are. What does the unsafe and unethical usage can be, or can it be done, and how we can prevent it? What risk is to the business in case my people in my line of work are using all kind of AI engines? What the risk is coming from that, and what can be done about it? So a small disclaimer. Some of the things that we are doing in the Innovation Lab is actually breaking things that people are building here. Okay, our job in some cases and in some situations is to hack, to find ways to work around the security guards and security measures that are being taken to secure solutions, and then try to teach the engineers back what went wrong. Okay? So we have a team of hackers, team of people that know how to break things, not only to build things. And this is the way we do it. So we hack it to make it more hack resilient. So I'm going to show a few examples of how we broke into the major LLM engine, the GPT engines that exist today. And we're going to suggest a few of the things that we can secure it in our development center. So if you ask Gemini, okay, if you are secure, Google Gemini, so it's going to tell you, oh yeah, it seems secure, however, it's important to be mindful for what you're putting in. So Google warns you, okay? You're being warned, but actually you have nothing to do with that. You either use it or not use it, okay? So let's see some of the hacks that we did. Let's explore for the following seconds ethical safeguards. So most test companies voluntarily created ethical use. That means that they're trying to make Gen AI to be ethical. They're trying LLMs to be ethical, okay? So I used by the way, my favorite hacking tool, which is this device. Okay, you can use it from anywhere globally to hack to everywhere you want. And this is one of my personal hacks. So for example, I asked Copilot to help me hack into a website by figuring out CAPTCHA. And he told me, sorry, this is exactly what CAPTCHA was built for robots not to be able to understand, but human can. So a few prompts later, he actually spelled out whatever I'm asking for. So I was not using any specific hacking tool or any specific modification tool. It was just playing with prompts to convince him to do what I need, okay? And there's no active solution these days that can prevent that, and this is part of the things that we are building at the Innovation Lab. Second thing is, what is considered ethical use? Who defined what ethical use is? Where are the boundaries? What is the code of conduct for AI? And who defines that? And how can we enforce that, if we can enforce that? Who will you get accountable? Let's say my employees are using ChatGPT for their day-to-day work, day-to-day tasks. Do I endanger to my business? Can I be liable for what my people are doing? Let's explore a little bit about that as well. So yes, employees are using generative AI for day-to-day. This is from the National Statistics of the UK. 41% are using that. 34% of management positions are using that. Everybody spills out everything into those machines, and some companies just try to ban the use of generative AI or public engines, okay? They banned, they restrict employees. They said, no, you cannot use it anymore. So I don't think that's the path either, okay? So we need to find a way to work with all of these tools, enable those tools, but do it in a safe way. Here are some more examples that we did. So we asked ChatGPT in this case to download the malware to my laptop, to infect my laptop. And of course, it prevented that at first, but few prompts later, as I like to say, it actually recommended me for a specific malware, okay? So I got there deliberately, but some people can get there by mistake, okay? So we need to make sure that AI doesn't do more harm than use. Another thing, this is more of a joke, that a person on Twitter convinced Chevrolet consumer assistant, to sell him a SUV for $1, okay, and commit that this is the deal, this is a legally binding offer, okay? This is again by prompt manipulation. It can make this engine to work for him. So yeah, AI can be bad sometimes, and we need to work on that, okay? Like any new technology, any emerging technology, there are ways to misuse it, and we need to work to make it safer. So Entity Innovation Lab has a quest, and this is to promote emerging technology. We would like people to use emerging technologies. We like people to use everything they can, but maintaining security and privacy. And this is one of the things that we are leading. Embedded in a thriving, fast-paced Israeli cybersecurity, that means startup communities, and a lot of things, a lot of companies, things, and research areas. We try to connect all the dots in that area by using open innovation technology. That means technologies that come from outside of entity, combined with technologies that come from inside of entity. So we are sourcing a lot of technologies. We have a sandboxing, a virtual lab that I will explain in a few minutes how we're using that as part of our tools. And we have a development center that knows how to connect the dot and actually move from theory to practical. So I try to illustrate that. That came up very colorful. I hope you will be able to understand this. So basically, we take everything that the world has to offer, okay? That means startups, academia, business opportunities from our entity customers, entity R&D in Japan, entity research, this place where we're standing right now, the customer's needs. We try to morph everything using several solutions that we have and create solutions to our customers that are as secure as possible while adopting all these emerging technologies. So let's talk a little bit about what we can do to secure LLM engines. Of course, I'm just laying the things that we can do right now, and later on, we need to develop, okay? We need to get there. So using all the sources I just described, we are now building solutions in our development center to secure those LLM engines. And so a few of the things that we can do, for example, is preventing exploitation by assuring AI ethics. That means that someone, probably another AI, a different AI, a different part of AI, a different level in the AI processing, will be reviewing the generated answers and actually verifying that what the AI spits out actually is in the framework of the ethical use. Protecting the user by session isolation, that's a granted thing, but we need to verify that. We need to make sure it's not hackable. Safeguarding data, the data itself, using everything that this very smart people that was in the stage before me knows how to do, but now we need to take it to practice. We need to build products based on that, bring it to the market. Secret management, vault platforms, okay, ways to secure information that goes up to the clouds. We need to build solution to secure that. This is more or less what we are doing, okay? We're building those solutions as we speak. Preventing information leakage by using private LLMs like Tsuzumi, like other solutions that handles the data from within the company, within the cloud tenant, keeping it very, very secured. Preventing harmful advice, and sanitizing access to public AI. So we have methods, by the way, practical methods, to prevent people to submit internal information on a website, okay? So there are methods to do that. We integrated that into customers as we speak, and we're building those kind of solutions. So to summarize a little bit of what we do, and I'll give maybe one example, is we scout for the best of breed proven technology. That means that we're doing a deep tech evaluation of every technology that we source. A group of engineers working with external companies, with academia, with startups to find the best of breed technologies, integrate them, validate them, evaluate them, and then proof for our customer that they are viable solutions. We also know how to augment and develop existing solution to tailor it specifically for a specific customer or specific vertical, if that's a banking industry or insurance industry or a government industry or whatever. So we know how to tailor those solutions exactly to what the customers need. Sometimes it's a very specific solution for a very specific customer. So we know how to do that. And of course, we support the integration and support the customers. One of those services, the service that we developed, is the virtual smart lab, the sandbox platform. Maybe some of you maybe heard about it. Some of you may be using that already. So that's a playground, a sandbox, somewhere that you can play with emerging technologies in a very safe area. It's a self-service area, actually. You log in, you create your environment, you bring everything in, you're pulling in everything, and you can just use your web browser to log in to that safe area. And you can try yourself all kind of new emerging technologies, emerging AI solutions in a very safe environment. And then you can decide if you would like to use it, how you're going to use it. You can use synthetic information, so you will not risk anything. And after this, you're happy with what you built, you're happy with what you're doing, you can showcase that to customers, you can showcase that to executive inside the company and so on, and make the decision happen, okay? So a live demo is always much better than just showing them a presentation of what you may or may cannot do. So that's one of the services that we provide for an entire entity group. We are about 90 users so far using that globally. Tsuzumi is going to be part of that, is going to be offered part of the things, but also external solutions that already exist in the market and other things that are AI in general, not just Gen AI. Thank you so much. If you have more questions, I'm here, and I'm having my friends in the AI community helping me building that. Thank you so much.